Sri Lanka, the teardrop-shaped island in the Indian Ocean, has long been a magnet for travelers seeking sun-kissed beaches, ancient temples, and lush wildlife. But beyond its well-trodden paths lies a hidden gem that beckons adventurers and ardent hikers alike. This region is called the Hill Country. Here, where the air is crisp and the landscape is a carpet of emerald green tea estates, the Pekoe Trail weaves a story of history, culture, and natural beauty. Today, Sri Lanka's economy is seeing a resurgence through increased tourism arrivals while being highlighted internationally by media organizations such as the BBC. The Pekoe Trail too has garnered global recognition by being spotlighted by Time magazine as one of the world's greatest places to be in 2025. The Hill Country, with its undulating terrain and mist-cloaked mountains, is a world apart from the coastal plains. It's a place where time seems to slow down, and the rhythm of life is dictated by the plucking of tea leaves. This topography, shaped by colonial ambition and the labor of generations, is the perfect canvas for the Pekoe Trail. Stretching 300 kilometers from Candi to Nura Eliya, the trail follows a network of 19th-century dirt roads and railway tracks originally built by the British to transport tea. Today, it serves as a bridge between the past and the present, connecting hikers to remote villages, sprawling plantations, and breathtaking vistas. The trail is the brainchild of Miguel Cunat, a Spaniard who has called Sri Lanka home for over 2 decades. With a deep love for the island's culture and landscapes, Cunat envisioned the Pekoe Trail to showcase Sri Lanka's tea heritage while promoting responsible tourism. With funding from Europe and the US, Cunat and his team mapped and connected 22 stages of colonial-era paths into a single, cohesive trail, which opened in March 2023. His vision was not just to create a hiking route, but to foster a deeper connection between travelers and the communities that call this region home. The trail is divided into 22 stages, each offering a unique slice of Sri Lanka's diverse landscape. As you set off from Candi, the cultural heart of the island, the trail meanders through the Hunthana Mountains, where mist hangs low and the scent of eucalyptus fills the air. Very soon, you will find yourself at the birthplace of tea cultivation and manufacture at Lula Kundora Estate, where Scotsman James Taylor created an indelible legacy throughout the landscape of the Hill Country. The trail is divided into 5 broad localities: the Candi area, the Hatton area, the Harputhalay area, the Ella area, and the Nura Eliya area. Due to the 300 kilometers involved and multiple days of walking, most hikers select a segment or two which captures their attention in terms of landscape, climate, and sights. The terrain varies from gentle slopes to challenging ascents, but every step rewards you with something extraordinary. A Hindu temple nestled in a village, an Anglican church standing on a verdant hillside as a relic of colonial times, or a tea factory set in a scenic valley where the aroma of freshly processed leaves fills the air. One of the trail's most enchanting features is its proximity to the lives of tea estate workers. These are the descendants of Indian labourers brought by the British during colonial rule in the 19th century. The hands of these workers have significantly influenced the industry for generations, shaping the demographic and cultural landscape of Sri Lanka's Hill Country. Though in colonial times, working conditions were harsh, over time, many improvements from planned housing to free medical facilities have improved the lives of these mainly Tamil workers. As you hike, you'll see the women at work, their nimble hands picking tea at extraordinary speed. Their colourful traditional clothes, bright against the green backdrop. Their stories, shared by local guides, add depth to the journey, transforming it from a physical challenge into a cultural immersion. If you have not done so, it's important to complete your experience with a visit to a tea factory, where you immerse yourself in the art of orthodox tea manufacture. Here you will be guided in the complete set of steps needed to come up with quality black tea. Most of these visits culminate in a sampling event where you get to savor the estate's finest brews. Accommodation along the trail is as varied as the landscape. For those seeking luxury, chic boutique bungalows, which are often refurbished and upgraded colonial planters' bungalows, offer a blend of modern comfort and colonial charm. For a more intimate experience, homestays in small villages provide a glimpse into local life, complete with home-cooked meals and warm hospitality. Special locations dot the trail, each with its own allure. Nura Eliya, stages 15 and 16 are a hiker's dream, with panoramic views from Eliya Rock. The iconic 9-arch bridge at Eliya, along with the Mordura Loop, a marvel of colonial engineering, is a must-see, along with the rustic Black Bridge. In Nura Eliya, the trail culminates in the Little England of Sri Lanka, where Tudor-style buildings and well-manicured gardens evoke a bygone era. The Pekoe Trail is more than just a hike, it's an invitation to slow down and savor the journey. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a casual walker, the trail offers something for everyone. With tuk-tuks available to ferry your luggage and small towns always within reach, logistics are a breeze. And while the trail is well marked, hiring a local guide enriches the experience, offering insights into the land, its people, and its history. As the sun sets over the hills and the first stars appear, you'll find yourself dreaming not just of tea, but of the stories, sights, and sounds that make the Pekoe Trail a journey like no other.